Only the O's can sit over top of the bumps on the tray. If you try pack the X on top of the piece, it will not sit there. This is the IQXOXO puzzle. There's 120 challenges and 5 different difficulty levels. Today we're going to be solving 3 of them. Level 45, 65, and level 94. In level 45, we need the green on the bottom, the purple on the top, the orange goes beside the green, and then we need the light blue in the top right-hand corner. And we place the green over here. Then we can take the pink and pack it here, and the medium blue can go beside that. Now going on to this side of the puzzle, you can see we can use the blue here, but if we try use the red on the bottom, unfortunately it won't work. So if we take out the blue and we place the red there, we can place the blue on the bottom and the yellow can just go above that. To see more videos from Puzzle Master, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles, click that subscribe button. In level 65, we need the purple, the red, and the orange. On this side of the puzzle, you can see we can use the pink, and then beneath that we can use the light green. Up top here we are able to use the dark blue. Then if we place the yellow over here, we can place the light blue on the bottom, but unfortunately we do not have a spot for the dark green. If we place the dark blue on the bottom and we place the dark green here, we can take the light blue and place it in between those two. Now dump out the pieces and go on to the next level. Level 94, we need the dark green on the bottom and the light blue on the top. If we take the purple and we place it here, we can use the pink up there. Then if we use the light green up here, we can use the red beneath that. Next, we can use the orange piece here. Then the only spot left for this dark blue is going to be on the bottom. If we take the yellow piece and we flip it in here, lastly, we can use the medium blue right in the center of the puzzle. To get the IQXOXO puzzle, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.